What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. I know it's been a really long time since I posted a video. It's been about 2 months since I posted a video. I'm excited to do more videos for you guys, but I've been scrambling around looking for a shop. What happened in Toronto is I left. I had a shop lined up here in Ottawa, so I moved from Toronto to Ottawa. I had a shop lined up here in Ottawa. They said it would be ready for June 1st. It wasn't. They said they needed another week. So June 7th, we were looking to move in. I said, okay, fine, whatever you have to do, you do it. Then they told me a few weeks ago that it's going to be 2 to 3 months. So I was like, hey, forget it. I can't be down 2 or 3 months. It's just crazy. I've already been, off for like 2 months already as it is. The reason being is because they had to put a drain in. And it's like, it's just a big mess. Anyways, it all worked out. I have a brand new location. I'm really excited for this spot, actually. Super close to home. Got a great space, great location. Next door is screen printing, so probably get them to do some custom shirts and stuff like that for me. Has a massive shop next door, really nice guy. I'm excited for my new opportunity here in Ottawa. So we're gonna be running workshops. The airport is about 10 minutes away from the shop. You can Uber here in about 10 minutes, super close. And if you guys are looking for those videos that you can't, if you can't get out to the training here, check out my website, ckwraps.com. I'll put a link in the top corner and in the description below for you. I have a ton of content lined up. All I've been doing is building, ideas for content over the past couple of months, and looking for a shop. Looking for a shop takes time. It takes anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks usually to get your insurance set up, get the lease finalized, all that sort of stuff, get your deposit in, all that stuff. So it takes a little while to get the shop set up, but we did get this one pretty quickly, considering the last one took us quite a while and we didn't make any headway with it. Anyways, this shop's bigger, it's cleaner, it's nicer. We're gonna be fixing it up with paint on the walls, epoxy on the floor. The whole thing's getting fixed up. We got brand new lights, crazy bright lights going in across the roof here, and has a nice office. So it's got a front door, got the garage door, and I'm not gonna show you the outside yet because my sign has to go up. I'm really excited for it because it's a really nice sign. I'm gonna take you for a tour of the shop right now, guys. Again, I've got tons of videos coming for you guys, and I'm really excited to get to doing them for you. Keep in mind that it's a little bit rough in here. The floor is really dirty right now. Lots of screws and stuff like that. Here, I'll show you. There's a screw there on the floor. There's all kinds of nails and screws all over the place, so I have to sweep it. Nav is coming to help me, and Nav's been a huge help in getting this all organized for me. And he's worked really hard over the past couple of months to get all this done for me. So thank you very much, Nav. This was a 2-unit bay, basically. So what happened is they end up closing the wall here. I'm gonna paint it so it actually looks a lot better. Once I paint it, it'll help fill in some of this inconsistency you see here, because they didn't really do that nice of a job. In the end, I may even just end up putting another sheet of drywall over top of it to make it more smooth and make it look a little bit better. One thing that's an eyesore is that receptacle box right there. Not a big deal. I mean, I don't think I can do anything with that, actually. I don't think I can cover the wires with anything. I think that's a hazard. So we just have to leave it as is, unfortunately. The ceilings are not too high, which is great. Considering the temperature is about 85 degrees today, it's quite cool in here. I don't feel uncomfortable whatsoever. Lights up here, we've got just your standard fluorescent lighting, nothing crazy. I have tons of lights right here, and I'm gonna show you guys eventually where to get these lights, or what these lights are exactly. They're amazing. They're 21,000 lumens high bay lights. I had them in the last shop. They worked very well. These ones I special ordered in white, so they'll go with the shop. We're painting the wall. This wall's gonna go. It was blue. We're gonna paint that white. This wall's gotta go here. It's gonna go all white as well. So I don't know why it's so erratic. There was this huge screen up on the wall here. I can't remember the business that was in here before, but this entire room was surrounded by like a cage. So this is in total 1,800 square feet, a little over 1,800 square feet space. We don't normally go out the back door here because cars drive by. I'll just open it up so you can see. You want to be careful when you're opening this up. There we go. Nothing back there. Let's close that up. Security system, alarm, all that stuff's going in this week. The paint's got to be fixed up on the wall here, so I'm here today to fix this up. We are beginning painting tomorrow, and we're gonna get into doing the epoxy in the floor the next day, and so on. This table here, I thought they were gonna take it out. I'm kind of undecided if I want to keep it or not. It's not a bad table, it's just a little awkward actually the way it's positioned. Perhaps I could turn it the other way and it might not be such a burden. I think it's a little bit too big for the room though, so I'm gonna end up probably taking it out. Right now, it's pretty heavy duty table, there's a lot of good wood there. So here's all the epoxy, just color white. nothing fancy. I want it to look super clean, really nice, fresh. Again, white walls, everything's going white. What else do I got here? Boxes and extension cords, stuff for the floor. Here's all my paint, guys. So this would be about enough paint to do the walls. And we're not doing the office just yet, but this wall, again, this blue wall is getting painted white. Everything's got to be fixed up. Probably paint the door white. I got to fix up this kind of stuff here and this right here. So I have some plaster and I have drywall and stuff like that to fix all this stuff. Let's walk into the office area, waiting room, office area. Pink, I don't really like it. Not really a color I find very appealing. Probably go with like a light gray or something. I'm not really sure. Again, floor is very dirty. It's got to be cleaned up. Sink, fridge, microwave. I put the fridge and microwave here because obviously I'm going to be here, so we need some cold drinks and some food to be able to heat up our food. We've got the closet here. Just keep a little teepee and some paper towel here. I can put a bunch of other stuff there. There's a couple more shelves. This is just the beginning. I'm going to take you through the middle of this as we go through. It's just the bathroom right here. See it? A restroom. Front door area. Got 2 doors. It's great. One glass, one really solid steel door. Glass door wouldn't hold up if anyone were to break in, so it's really nice. There's an intercom, which is nice as well. So if someone's at the front door, I can hear them buzz in. Again, I'm not going to show you just outside yet. I want you guys to see the sign when it goes up because it's going to look really good. This is the office or lunchroom / area. I'm not one to take in people just coming in off the street, so there's not really any walk-in appointments and stuff like that. Most of the time, this would probably be like more of a lunch area when I run workshops. I'm really excited to get back to doing workshops. Just interesting architecture in here. We're gonna paint it. The pink and the blue's gotta go. It needs to be cleaned up. Again, just a little bit dirty, that's all. Vacuumed, that sort of thing. That's about it. There's a thermostat on the wall. I'm really excited about this, guys. You have no idea. It's been so long. I can't wait to get it started and just get it renovated and make it look good the way I want it. That's pretty much it. All right, guys, so again, I'm very excited for this new adventure that I'm on. My plan was actually to open a shop location in Florida. During the pandemic, things obviously have gone a little bit crazy, so I wasn't able to actually follow through with that plan. This year, I had a lawyer and stuff like that all ready to go for opening my business down there, and everything just kind of fell through last minute with the pandemic going on. I do hope you guys are being safe out there, especially my American friends. Please be safe, take care of yourselves. I know it's spreading pretty quickly down there. I do want you guys to get back to real life, of course. I do want you to be safe as well. It would be nice to get those borders open so that we can get you guys back up here again. Again, as soon as those borders open, I will most likely be opening a shop in the US. Just there is no predetermined date set yet for as far as that goes because I just opened this place, or will be opening this place. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the new shop. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's been a long time. I'm again really looking forward to doing more videos for you guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it very much. Take care.